Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Eva Gutowski. Since you guys last saw me, we've definitely grown, just a tad, just a little bit in size, subscriber count wise, fan base wise. I'm just kidding, guys. We have grown so much in subscriber amount and in fan base amount, and I'm super thankful for everyone that subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys so much. I love all of you and each and every one of you so much. Right now I'm at 44,000 subscribers. How crazy is that? Like, that is so crazy. What the heck? But yeah, I'm really thankful for everyone that subscribed, and I love you guys so much. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I make new videos every week and I'm always posting something new and fun. So yeah, join the Gutowski family. We are family. I got all my sisters in me. Also, I definitely think we should start having a fandom name going, so if you have any ideas or suggestions, definitely make sure to comment down below what your suggestions are, and I'll definitely be liking some of your guys' comments. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys one look using the Eva Gutowski Colourpop collection, and I'm super excited to show you guys what this collection can do because I've definitely tried out some of the products already and they're so nice. And also, if you haven't seen the video of me unboxing this collection, definitely go watch that video first. And I'll link it down below so you guys can go watch it. And I talk a lot more about the products in this collection and show more of the packaging, and you guys can see my reaction when I first opened it. So definitely, if you guys want to go watch that video, it'll be linked in the description box below, and yeah, go watch it. So I can't wait to show you guys the makeup look that I come up with today. And now for the makeup look. So let's get started. Okay, so I've obviously already done all my face makeup except for two things on my face, the highlight and the blush. So I'm going to start off with using the Mermaid Glow Face Duo palette, which comes with the highlight and a blush. So for this face duo, I'm just going to be using my normal two makeup brushes that I use for my everyday makeup look with my other blush and highlights so that I can get the full effect of what it would usually look like. Ooh, that's a lot of pigment. Look how much pigment. I'm just going to dust some of that off, and I'm just going to go right in onto my cheeks. Wow. Well, it shows up right away, so that's really nice because honestly, I feel like blush never shows up on me. Like when I used to be in choir and I used to have to wear blush for performances, I would put it on before I got to the choir room, and then I would get to the choir room and I feel like I couldn't see it anymore. Like it would just disappear on me. I don't know why. Maybe I just didn't have the right one. So you can see that that's obviously really pigmented right off the back. Back? Isn't it right off the bat? Back? Right off the bat? Right off the bat. It's very pigmented right off the bat. I'm gonna go with that. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's really pigmented and I think it looks really nice on my skin tone. But this blush also looks like it would look nice on a range of skin tones because it's kind of not too light, not too dark. It's very in the middle range. So I think this blush will look nice on a lot of different skin tones, so that's really nice that a lot of people are going to be able to buy it and wear it. So definitely 2 thumbs up for the blush right now. And now I get to move on to the highlight, which I'm super excited for because I love highlighter and I love to put on highlight, so I'm definitely super excited for this one. This highlighter is called Golden Hour, which if you don't know what golden hour is, it's when the sun is just about to set and it makes the whole sky look really golden and nice, and it's just a really pretty time of the day, especially to take selfies. And yeah, let's try this out. Ooh, do you see that highlight glowy? Glow, baby, glow. This highlighter is really nice because it's super pigmented and you see it right when you put it on your face, literally immediately. It is a subtle highlight at first if you're into that, because just looking at it, I can definitely tell that it's not a super glittery highlighter. So right when you put it on your face, it's not gonna be a huge streak of glitter on your face like a lot of the highlights that are out there, which obviously doesn't look natural, but it still looks pretty blinding and pretty. But then also you could build it up definitely, and it'll build up very easily to be a nice glowing, blinding highlight. So that's obviously really nice to do too, because who doesn't love a blinding highlight? I know I do, but I can also definitely appreciate a nice glow from within. So this highlight's pretty much good for anyone. And now I'm just gonna finish it up by putting it everywhere else I need to. Cupid's bow. A little on the nose, right underneath the brow. and our highlight and blush are done. So here's the blush and the highlight. What do you guys think? Right now, go comment what you guys think of the highlight and the blush, and also if you think they're both great, give this video a big thumbs up for the highlight and the blush. Now I'm going to move on to the eyeshadow. Okay guys, so for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the It's All Wild palette, and this palette has like a lot of like gold tones and orangey tones, which I'm super excited about because orange is definitely one of my favorite colors to do on my eyes. So yeah, let's get started. 3, 2, 1. That didn't work. That's not the inside of the eyeshadow palette. Let's try that one more time. That's better. So this is the eyeshadow palette that we're going to be using today, and like I said, you guys can see that there's a lot of orangey tones. We're going to be using every color in this palette today, and I'm going to be showing you guys a really pretty eyeshadow look that you guys can do with it. And all the eyeshadow brushes that I'm going to be using today are from Morphe, and I just bought this really nice set that is just like all the essentials that you would need to do your eyeshadows. And I'll also make sure to link what brush set I'm using in the description box below. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm first going to start off with this brown color, which is called Bonfire, and I'm just going to blend that color right into my crease as like my transition shade. So I'm just going to pick up a little bit on my brush and then tap it off. And there's definitely a lot of pigment that comes off right off the bat, so you don't have to put too much on your brush right away. So I'm just going to pat this color into my crease right now, and then I'm going to start to blend it out as my transition shade so that we have a smooth base for the rest of our eyeshadows. I'm going to swipe it back and forth. And then I'm just going to repeat for my other side. I'm making sure I'm blending this out super softly using a really light hand so that it blends out really seamless and looks nice all together. So I just used this blush to blend it out, and now I'm going to use a finer brush that's like more fine tip, and I'm just going to use the same color to put it right into my crease so that I could put a nice thin line that's a little bit more pigmented than the part that I blended out. So like I said, I'm just going to take a little bit more of Bonfire, and now I'm just going to put it right into my crease. So I'm just putting this right into my crease to make it look a little bit more pigmented and a lot more defined. And then I'm just going to use the same brush to blend it out. I'm also going to start to blend Bonfire into the outer crease. And I'm also going to start to drag the color out a little bit. Now I'm going to take this really fat brush and I'm going to use it to blend out the top, and this has no product on it. Okay, so now that we've used the same color this whole time, now I'm going to finally move on to the next color, which is Passport, which is this really bright, vibrant, like burnt orange shade. And so I'm just going to take a little bit of this, and look how much pigment already came off. That's a lot. I'm just going to tap that off. And I'm going to start to go in with this color right into my crease. And then I'm just going to use the brush that I used to blend out my transition shade, and I'm going to use that to blend out this color. Okay, so now I'm going to start to carve out a half cup crease, and I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand, like so. And then I'm just going to take a flat brush, and then I'm just going to start to carve out this crease. And now I'm just going to take my finger and pat off some of that excess concealer that's on my eyes to make sure it's not too wet. And this also helps to blend out a little bit of the edges of the concealer. Okay, so now that I have my half cut crease carved out, now I'm going to go into the shade Bonfire again, and I'm just going to seamlessly blend this into the cut crease. Okay, so now I'm actually going to dive into the Vacation Mode palette, which is the other palette that's in the collection, which has more like purpley tones. But I'm actually just going to be using it for this white pearly shade, which is called Round Trip. And I'm just going to get a little bit of that on this brush. And I'm just going to pack this right into my inner corner and put it right up to where I started that cut crease. Okay, so now we can get rid of this palette. And now we're going to move it back onto the orange palette because now I'm going to be using this really pretty gold shade called Malibu. And again, I'm going to place this right into my cut crease right next to where I put my inner corner shade. And then now I'm going to go in with the shade Passport, and then I'm going to place that right next to Malibu. And then I'm just going to blend this out. And then for the finishing touches of this eyeshadow look, I'm going to add Passport right underneath my eyes. And then the only color that we haven't used in this palette is Tan Line, which is this color right here. And I'm just going to take a little tiny bit of that. And I'm kind of going to use this as like a brown eyeliner, and I'm going to smudge it like right close to my lash line. And now I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara, and the eyeshadow will be done. Okay, so now the eyes are all done and time for the lips. Okay, so in this collection there's this She's a Beach Babe lip bundle, and this comes with 3 lip products, and today I'm going to be using Party Wave. This lip color is so pretty. I've actually been looking for a color like this, so definitely like a million thumbs up for this lip product because I'm really excited to keep using this in the future. Favorite thing in the collection is definitely Party Wave. The products in this lip bundle are actually really nice, super comfortable to wear, and they're not like drying at all, which I was super surprised with because, you know, most like liquid lips are like super drying, but this one actually isn't. It's really comfortable and it feels like really soft when you touch your lips. It feels like you're not even wearing any lipstick or anything. So yeah, definitely recommend the lip bundle. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it and I hope you guys liked this video. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up to let me know. And also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, because I make new videos every week and I'm always posting something new and fun. And once again, I want to say a huge thank you to all the people that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. I love you guys so much, and come on guys, we need a fandom name, so let's start a conversation in the comments. Definitely comment down below what you guys think and let's start talking about what name that you guys should be called. So yeah, that was me trying out all the products in the Eva Gutowski It's All Wild Colourpop collection, and you guys can actually get this whole collection on colourpop.com right now, so I'll definitely make sure to put the link in the description box below if you guys want to get any of these products or all of these products. And yeah, that was it for this week's video, and I'll see you guys next time.
What we do here is go back.